Welcome back, guys. Today we're in this hidden waterfall in North Georgia. We were gonna dive into the water, but the temperature dropped 40 degrees overnight and we don't have any wetsuits, so maybe next time. But it's beautiful out here. If you guys are new to the channel and you like adventure and travel, we explore a lot of things, so make sure you subscribe. We're actually camping tonight, so we're gonna show you guys the camp setup when we set it up and everything. Try not to slip, but I got Kaylee with me, my wife, and we're gonna be camping. It's been a while since we've actually been camping, so it's gonna be great. But that being said, let's get to it. So we just got to the campsite and we got a nice little spot. Okay, so looking back at the footage, it was very dark when we set up the tent in the mountains. So unfortunately, you're not gonna get to see that footage, but I am gonna set the tent up here at my house. That way you can see how nice of a tent it is, how fast it goes up. It's one of the biggest things when camping is setting up the tent. This is a 60-second tent. I'm not sponsored to say anything good about them or anything, but I really do like the tent. This was my first time using it, so this is actually my second time setting this tent up, and I'm gonna show you guys just how easy it is to set up. I will leave a link in the description so you can get yourself a tent. I will be buying another quick tent that's a little bit faster than this one is what I hear, so I'm gonna try it out and we'll see how that works. All right. And just like that, of course, you have to stake it down and put the rain fly on, which is very easy. When you put the rain fly on, you just drape it over. It's got these little connects, the hook. There's only 4. And then there is a rod that goes from this little eyelet to this one and makes it open so that you can get in and out pretty easily. But it's a very spacious tent. It's even got a little light hook at the top. It's nice. It's very nice. So it got dark on us, but we got the tent set up and Kaylee's getting the bed set up. And she pumped up the air mattress. We're definitely gonna invest in a electric pump. But we're about to get a campfire started and might roast us some marshmallows. All right, we got some fire going. Well, we're starting it, but. Let's see, get the flashlight. Let's let this fire starter start, and then we're gonna have this fire going, buddy. We just made popcorn on the campfire. How is it?
It's got like a cracked pepper taste to it.
Might be the wood we're burning, but. All right, well, it's been an adventurous day. We hit the waterfall this morning and water was very cold, so we didn't get to dive into it, but maybe next time we'll have wetsuits. But
we went to Hell.
We went to Helen and we ate at a nice little restaurant there, and they were actually having Oktoberfest, but we didn't want to partake in any of that, so we came to Unicoi State Park, and that's where we set up our tents and started us up a little campfire and had a good little night. Good morning, guys. It's the next morning, and it started raining on us about 3 a.m. It's 8 a.m. now, but look at our view. So that made it worth it. now that it's daylight, show you our tent and everything, and our little setup. Oh man, that's beautiful. So we're in Unicoi State Park. How was rest?
It was good.
It rained. So here's our little setup. Nice little rain fly covers everything. And then we had an air mattress. You know, they all leak. So we woke up on the ground just a little bit. Wasn't terrible, but nice size tent. Got a little place for all our stuff over there and our bed. And then we got a little light up there. Baby. So there's a little trail we're walking for the morning. Well, that's it. We got it all packed up into this little tote. Area is cleaned. Always clean up your campsites back to the way they were when you got here, obviously. And that's it for the camp. So we just got to Anna Ruby Falls. Kalie's putting on her makeup. Of course, we gotta wait on that, so I'm just kidding. We're gonna go hike this little trail and see this big waterfall everybody talks about. Catch you guys there. Wow. Look at a dog. Oh wow. Alright, we finally made it. It was a hike, but look at it. That is beautiful. I don't know where we're going next, but we'll see you there. So we stopped on the side of the road past Helen Jumping Goat Coffee Roaster. So let's see how this is. So the lady at the other goat coffee place told us about this second location that had this real nice view. It's a little cloudy today, but apparently this is a really big mountain. I don't know if you can see it right there, but there's a lot of clouds. So, but we're here. They said they had a espresso bar here and could make a lot more drinks, so we're gonna try it here. I did have a little sample of the coffee at the other spot, and it was pretty good, but we decided to come here just for the view. And oh, there's a little mountain there. You can see, but this one goes way up, and then there's another one over there. Kalie taking some pictures. All right, let's go try some more coffee. All right, that wraps up today's video. We're back at the house. We're grilling us some pork. Kalie's inside making some macaroni and cheese and some green beans, so I'm excited for that. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. See y'all later.